The third annual CNBC Upstart 100 list out this morning, recognizing the early stage startups getting the most buzz in the Valley. Kate Rooney is out at One Market with more on the next generation of potential unicorns. Kate.
Hey, Leslie, good to see you. Companies on our Upstart list are younger than 5 years old and have raised less than $50 million. But some big-name venture capitalists are paying attention. So Kleiner Perkins, Sequoia, and Andreessen Horowitz are all investors in companies on this year's list. Among those top Silicon Valley firms, cybersecurity was the most common bet. That was also the most popular sector for our list overall. We had a few cybersecurity companies founded by Israeli Defense Force alumni. So then finance, healthcare, and retail were the next most popular after cybersecurity. It's not just these upstart companies that are gaining attention. Money is pouring into pretty early stage startups. We've got healthcare companies bringing in $132 billion in the past 5 years. Fintech has attracted $23 billion, followed by cybersecurity and retail. So big corporations are also taking notice. VC arms of Qualcomm, Salesforce, MasterCard, Google, Lockheed Martin were all investors in at least one of these startup companies. These corporate venture capital arms also tend to kind of partner strategically. They can either invest and then sort of work with the company and learn from them. That could also lead to some M&A, which we've already seen happen to former winners. Two companies on last year's list were bought by Shopify. One was bought by Stitch Fix, and then two on the 2017 list were bought by Microsoft and Symantec. We had some high-profile CEOs also making investments on this year's list. Apple CEO Tim Cook is an angel investor in biotech company, and Mark Benioff is investing in enterprise tech. We also had Peter Thiel and Dan Loeb betting on the same AI company called Osaro. Finally, this is always fun, celebrity investments. Upstart winner Daily Harvest is backed by Serena Williams, Shaun White, Bobby Flay, and Gwyneth Paltrow. Before we go, we're going to sit down with founder of Tundra, who's one of our winners, and their venture capital investor on Instagram TV. So you can follow CNBC for more of that. Leslie.